yeah. Well, if I knew it's your boy, I easy alongside my J.R.A. Everybody tells me that you're pretty, hey. And I always try to disagree. Oh, to see you with another guy would tell me I'm deep inside, 'cause they don't know you once belonged to me. Oh, and I knew it would be awkward running into you that way. It's okay, tell you, said that word to me. Oh no, you didn't just call me friend. Oh no, I must be hearing things. You can call me wrong, you can call me right, but don't you call me friend tonight. Oh no, you didn't just say we're through. Oh no, I ain't never getting over you. Tell me that I'm crazy chasing you again, but don't you call me friend. Don't you call me, don't you call me, don't you call me, don't you call me friend. Don't you call me, don't you call me, don't you call me, don't you call me friend.
Tuhan, nakabulastugan, hindi malilimutan ang asaran na merong pikunan, lalo na rin ang unang niligawan, unang kabiguan, at dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagdadamayan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan. Noong mga buwan, kaibigan namang maasahan. Oh, di na tayo mabata, edad may di nahahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan man magkita, tiyak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa. Inuman na pang magdamagan, minsan inaabot pa ng ayaan, na kung saan na para bang walang kinabukasan at kahantungan. At dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagpapayuhan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan.